front bumper for Stubby. I like it a lot. It kind of kicks up and back. I don't know, I may add up a couple bars here or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. I also thought about plate in the front. Not really sure how I feel about that, but also got the back bumper pretty much done. So it kind of just focus, you piece of shit. There we go. Just kind of wraps around the sides. I would show you what it looks like, but the body's over here being painted. I'll show you that too. I got the tailgate in paint for Stubby, and then started putting down some paint on the Stubby hood. And I don't know if it was just too cold. I just did like some real light misting just to kind of get that gold kind of started to lay on there. It is a little patchy. So spare here. I'm getting ready to make a spare tire mount. So I did put that license plate bracket somewhere over here in the tailgate. And so the spare is going to sit, I don't know, somewhere right around there-ish. And I've got to make the swing out mount. I'll probably come, I don't know, maybe over here, maybe over here. Depends on what I can get figured out. I'll probably try and go inside the tailgate, or outside the tailgate, inside the tail light, maybe like right at the side of the tail light. That way this thing sits kind of like right here and it'll swing over. I'll have a little mount. I don't know, maybe here. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do that, but I've got to figure all that stuff out. So I got that. And that's pretty much what I've been doing. And bumper, back bumper, pretty much set. I've got to do body mounts. The body mounts in the rear are going to be real super easy. I'm going to do a couple little things right here, straight to the floor, bolt it down so the body will be solid mounted because I'm putting the battery right in this area here. So should be good to go. Ooh, I got other things. Hang on. Bumper could maybe go in just a little bit, but I want to make sure I clear the tailgate. But there's the spare. You can see the license plate. You can see the brake light if you're really, you know, down the side of it or whatever. So it'd be, I don't want to say legal, but whatever. And then I got a scale bolt here and just pins in right there. And look at that. Haha. So basically we come up front. I have the Deluxes. I got a G13. There's a Holmes in there. I think I went over that. This is the front. There's the gold color that it's going to be. Next to that white looks really good. I got the bumper. It's all, I don't know, I don't want to call it like pre-runner style, but kind of tube style. And then I made these sliders. They really probably ought to have a couple bars in between there, but I'm not too worried about it right now. This is what the inside looks like. Not great. I do need to make some door panels and stuff for the interior, but I just really haven't gotten to that yet. There's a little bit of the floor. You can see the scribe lines. Once I get the patina on and everything, some of this will kind of blend in a little bit. It's not perfect. You will see back here, this is where I was talking about. I may just leave that as like a cut line. I have hogged out the fender wells a little bit, that way they clear. I do think this slider is just a hair bit too long, but I can't really fix that right now before I have to leave. So it's just gonna have to stay where it is. I've got the rear quarter guards, and then this opens and shuts kind of like that, and it sits right by the tailgate. And then over here it's just on a little pedestal, and the jack goes here, spare tire there, and then it all just kind of hangs out, and you know, so that is it. Body mounts are on. One's in there. The other one is in. There. Think about that. It's like a roller coaster. Whoa, whoa. All in. Everything's mounted. A little more considerate than everybody.